Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to make the trending glitchy transition effect in After Effects. Let's get started. Create a new adjustment layer. Now scroll to the middle point between your two clips. From that point, move 30 frames backward by holding Shift and pressing page up 3 times, then trim the beginning of the adjustment layer. Next go back to the middle point again. This time move 30 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down 3 times, and trim the ending of the layer as well. Scroll to the midpoint again and apply the Glitchify plugin to the adjustment layer. Glitchify is a paid plugin for After Effects. If you do not have it, let me know in the comments below and I will make a similar effect using built-in effects very soon. Under Glitchify, click the amount stopwatch icon and change the value to 35. Next expand channel glitch and toggle it off, then expand color glitch and toggle it off as well. Now scroll to the beginning of the layer and change amount to 0. Scroll to the end of the layer and set amount to 0 there as well. Scroll back to the middle of the layer and apply the Gaussian blur effect. Change blurriness to 35 and click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. Then scroll to the beginning and set blurriness to 0. Finally, go to the end of the layer and change it to 0 there as well. Now hit U on your keyboard to reveal all the created keyframes. Select them, then press F9 to apply Easy Ease and open the graph editor. Right-click here and select Edit Speed Graph, then create a smooth curve similar to mine. Let's quickly preview the transition, and it's done. For a better feel and to make it more complete, I like to add a shake. I will use one from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the pack from the link in the description below. Also, you can check out my shake tutorials on the channel. Let's check the final result, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.